Hey guys, wanted to give you a little truth about some of these big tech companies. When you're starting off, a lot of guys are talking about how, you got to get some of these, shittier jobs starting out as a software engineer. You got to, pay your dues, and every industry has those same sayings. You got to pay your dues. Got to get in a shitty job that you don't like, doing shitty coding. I'll tell you, there's a lot of companies out there who know that there are people just trying to get started in the industry that take advantage of you. Lie on their job descriptions, lie in the interview, and then expect you to come to work every day. They expect you to show up, to do all the shitty work. There's definitely companies out there like that, and that was actually my first programming job, breaking into the industry. I was excited to start, really excited to get things done, make my mark, work on a product that helped people out, or so I thought, and it ended up being quite a bit different than that. It was a broken product. I was in lower tier, basically support. My job description, job title for the interview had all these programming languages I would be working with, and I felt good that I had scored the job, and basically just turned into me being support for a shitty project that was broken. All of our customers were unhappy, but they had the market share. So our customers, they would sell them on this product. The customer would transition over to the new product, had a lot of compliance stuff involved, and basically it would go nowhere. It was just a trash product, and basically ended up on the front lines working with customers, making a low amount of money doing no programming. And you get in a role like that, and you wonder how long you should stay because you're not getting any programming experience. I got a little bit of SQL experience, but things were so hectic, so fast-paced that, you really couldn't do any kind of career development. It was all get this project done, and I don't mind that. I don't mind the hard work, but there is a point where you're being taken advantage of, and I really wasn't. I'm making below the industry standard, which is fine. It's a new engineering job. I think the point of this video would be to tell you, look, if you're not happy with your job, if you're not happy with where you're at, go somewhere else. These companies, they care about the bottom line. Your supervisor, your teammates might care about you, but in the end, corporate as a whole, they don't care about you. Your supervisor, they don't know your name, they don't care about you. You see names on these conference calls, they don't care about you. You're a number, you're getting things done, and you're just a cog in the wheel to them, and you're trying to make a lasting impact. So that's what I would challenge you to do. If you're unhappy with where you're at, find another job, start applying. You don't want to be at the point where it's too late to start applying. You don't want to be at the point where it's too late to get a job, where you're so fed up that you wished you had quit 3 months earlier, but now you're down to a crunch, nobody in your area is hiring, and get it over with. Have some backup plans. That's the point. Have a backup plan. If you love your job, have a backup plan, have an exit plan. You don't want to get stuck in a situation where you're having to go to work, you're having to do things that maybe you don't think, that don't necessarily line up with your values just to feed your family. So that's the point. Hope you guys are having a great day. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you've ever experienced anything like this. Any new programmers out there ever been in a company that really didn't take advantage of them or really did take advantage of them, really didn't give them what they were promised or anything like that. Hope you guys have a great day.